brakes down into third for me. Off the brakes. Excellent. Round the white barrier. That's it. Excellent. Keep it going. Keep it going. Off the power. Turn in. On the power. Off the power. Up. Right. That's it. Yeah, you hit that cone the first time round. That's it. On the power. Keep on the power. Up into fourth for me. Keep it going. Gently on the brakes. Off the brakes. Round the corner. Onto the brakes. Down into third. Excellent. Now over to the barrier nice and gently. That's it. Keep the speed balanced. It's perfect. Around one more lap. That's it. Straighten her up. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Now turn in. Excellent. On the power. Keep on the power. Keep on the power. Up into fourth. Keep it going. Keep it going. Over to the grass. Keep it going. Onto the brakes. Down into third. Keep on the brakes. Keep on the brakes. Off the brakes. In through the blue cone. Out round the blue barrier. Excellent. Keep on the power. Keep it going. Keep it going. Right. Keep it balanced. Keep the speed balanced. Excellent. Up into fourth. Quickly on the brakes for me. Off the brakes. Over on the brakes. Down into third. Excellent. Off the brakes. Keep the speed nicely balanced. That is perfect. Excellent. Now onto the power. Keep it going through the yellows. Up into fourth for me. Excellent. Onto the brakes. Down into third for me. Off the brakes. Excellent. Round the white barrier. That's it. Keep it going. Keep it going. Right. Off the power. Turn it. On the power. Off the power. Turn it. On the power. Off the power. Turn it. On the power. Off the power. Turn it. Off the power. Turn it. Right. Keep on the power. Keep on the power. Up into fourth. Excellent. On the brakes. A little bit more. A little bit more. Off the brakes. On the brakes. Down into third. Excellent. Right. We're going to keep the speed down slow now because we're going to keep going to the right hand side of that barrier for me. Right. Now bring the speed down for me a minute. Bring the speed down a little bit more. Down into second. Right. Keep it at that. I'll let you have a little play now through part of the gravel. Okay. Cool. Now remember it is gravel.
Yeah.
It will get a little bit out of hand if you let it.
Yeah.
So we're going to go through them cones. A little bit more power. Right. Off the power. Turn in. On the power. Off the power. Turn in. On the power. Off the power. Now on the power. That's it. Turn in. On the power. Again. On the power now.
Round?
No. Going that way. That's it. Right. Bring the speed down for me now. Park it over there for me. In front of where your friend is. That's it. Now if you can just bring it to a stop here for me. That'll do. Just stop it here for me. That's it. Now I'll ask you again. Which is your favourite?
Oh yeah. This is a man.
Good car, this isn't it?
Shit. That was doing it.